Hi guys, welcome to Forking Allotment. Today I'm going to be doing jobs for December, so please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to the channel. So the weather in December is so unpredictable that we have to take things day by day, and for those people that are wanting a white Christmas, you're probably more likely to see a white Easter, but what we can guarantee is that we're going to probably have some hard frosts and some wet weather. So if the weather outside is wet or too cold, stay in and plan your plot for next year, and also get out the seed catalogues, have a pour through those and order your seeds for next year. And you could also consider crop rotation. I have got a video about crop rotation which I will put up here somewhere. And also check out allotmentgarden.org for a list of seeds and the cheapest supplier for those seeds. I will leave a link down below for that particular page. So it's a good time for repairing and renovating. There's always something to do if you look hard enough. So always remember that you won't have much time when spring comes and it's in full swing. So maybe turn over your compost heap and make sure that your compost heap or your compost bins are covered to keep rain out and keep the heat in. Also, it's a good time for cleaning your tools. There's also still time to make leaf mould, and also try and keep things on the plot as tidy as possible, but a little untidiness around the edges won't hurt too much, as it may provide shelter for predators, so that would be a good thing, obviously. So we've still got stuff that we can harvest in December, and many of those things would be destined for our dinner plates, our Christmas dinner plates, such as parsnips, leeks and winter cabbages, all of which can be left in the ground until needed. If the temperatures plummet, cover the soil with straw so that it makes harvesting them easier, so the soil around them doesn't freeze. Also, we can be harvesting Brussels sprouts. Harvest them when they're around about 1 inch in diameter and before they blow open. And always harvest from the bottom of the plant upwards, and just twisting the Brussels sprouts away from the plant. If you planted Christmas potatoes, they will also be ready now, or should also be ready now. Or sometime around in December. You could also harvest kale and cauliflowers too, but also remember to net your brassicas, keep your brassicas netted, because birds will be hungry at this time of year and will start picking on your brassicas. So any carrots that are left in the ground can also come up now and can be stored in dry damp sand or peat. You could also lift parsnips and swede and store them in the same way, but it's not essential because mostly swedes and parsnips are quite hardy and they can be left in the ground until they're actually needed, so you don't need to lift them and store them in the same way you would carrots, but it can be done if you want to be extra cautious. Also, Jerusalem artichokes and scorzonera will be ready now. Scorzonera is not a very popular doesn't seem to be very popular planting in the UK, but it seems to be quite popular in other countries, especially I think France is quite a good, they use quite a lot of scorzonera. So yeah, those can be lifted now, and you may also be able to harvest perpetual spinach, celeriac, chicory, endive, kohlrabi, lettuce, your winter radishes, spinach and turnips, which should all be available now. Turnips should all be available now. And also double check your stored potatoes to make sure that there aren't any, that none have rotted. because it will spread quickly throughout the sack of potatoes. So keep a check on your potatoes to make sure that none have rotted, and throw out any rotten ones, and also check to make sure that no slugs have gotten into your bag or anything like that. So yeah guys, that is all from me on this video. I'm going to be doing some shorter videos now to try and keep the interest of the audience. So yeah, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I will leave links for any videos or any links that I've told you about. I'll leave links down here. Any videos will be linked up here or over here in a moment. So thank you for watching, and please do remember to like, comment and subscribe. I've already said that, sorry. And other than that, please do have a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year, and please do stay warm, stay safe and stay happy. See you all on the other side. See you later. Bye bye.